Hisense serves customers globally. How do you ensure rapid delivery so they can get the product when they need it?
We have a robust supply chain system that ensures production capacity. We've also set up an agile delivery operation system, powered by AI-driven decision-making, real-time data analysis, and fast resource adjustments to create the most efficient production plans.
So you can quickly put orders into production?
Exactly. And the 24/7 operation dark factory, high-efficiency production equipment, flexible transportation using bridge cranes and AGVs have all helped us greatly to shorten the production time. Here, an air conditioning unit rolls off the line every 16 seconds.
With such a large output, logistics must be a huge challenge.
We have a comprehensive logistics system that allows us to quickly ship products worldwide. Currently, our average lead time is only 26.66 days. This major breakthrough allows our customers to wait less and enjoy a better experience.